Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FrokAI token. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting July 3rd, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a max total supply of 100 million FrokAI tokens. FrokAI, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. And you can find this token on BASECHAin. This is on the Coinbase blockchain, the BASECHAin. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting July 3rd, 12 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search FrokAI, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. You will see they have a huge Twitter following, 95,200 Twitter followers. Blue verified checkmark at FrokAI token, 310 tweets. And they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go right on that Twitter there. It has their webpage, Twitter, Telegram, white paper. All the links are linked on that link tree. In an increasingly interconnected and digital world, the convergence of artificial intelligence and creativity has emerged as a catalyst for profound change across industries. FrokAI emerges as a pioneer in the transformative landscape, leveraging advanced AI algorithms to revolutionize the way creators worldwide unleash their imaginations. This comprehensive paper serves as an invaluable resource for investors seeking to delve into the intricacies of FrokAI. And you can find that at docs-whitepaper.gitbook.io/FROK-AI. So, FrokAI represents a culmination of years of research, development, and technological advancement, bringing together cutting-edge AI algorithms and state-of-the-art infrastructure to empower creators worldwide. With its intuitive interface, versatile features, and unparalleled performance, FrokAI offers a gateway to limitless creativity, enabling users to generate captivating content effortlessly and explore new frontiers of expression. So they have here the technology behind FrokAI. It says, at the heart of FrokAI lies a sophisticated ensemble of cutting-edge tech meticulously crafted to enable the seamless generation of high-quality visual content. Drawing inspiration from the groundbreaking advancements of AI, FrokAI's tech stack represents the pinnacle of innovation in the realm of creative expression. Central to FrokAI's tech is a deep learning algorithm which serves as a backbone of the platform's content generation capabilities. These algorithms, inspired by the neural architecture of the human brain, are trained in vast data sets and images and videos, allowing them to learn complex patterns, styles, and visual elements. The training process involves exposing the algorithms to a diverse range of visual stimuli, enabling them to recognize and understand various visual concepts such as shapes, colors, textures, and compositions. Through iterative training and optimization, FrokAI's algorithms become increasingly proficient at generating visual, coherent, and aesthetically pleasing content. In addition to deep learning algorithms, they also leverage generative model techniques to facilitate the generation of realistic and novel visual content. Generative modeling involves training neural networks to generate new data samples that resemble those in the training data set. One of the key generative model techniques employed by FrokAI is a generative adversarial network, GANs, which consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, engaged in a game-like scenario. So the generator generates synthetic images while the discriminator evaluates them for realism. Through adversarial training, the generator learns to produce increasingly realistic images, resulting in high-quality outputs. Another critical aspect of FrokAI's tech is the ability to understand and replicate perpetual qualities inherent to visual context. This involves not only generating images that are visually appealing, but also ensuring that they are semantically meaningful and contextually relevant. FrokAI achieves a perpetual understanding through a combination of techniques including feature extraction, semantic segmentation, and image recognition. By analyzing the semantic and contextual information embedded within images, FrokAI's algorithms are able to generate content that not only looks good, but also conveys the intent, message, and meaning. And lastly, one of the hallmarks of FrokAI's tech is the capacity to continuously learn and adapt. As users interact with the platform and provide feedback on generated content, FrokAI's algorithms learn from the feedback and adjust their parameters accordingly. So you could read more about they have governance, so you can vote on proposals. The token, you can use it for staking and governance, monetization and transactions, rewards and incentives, access and usage. And they're going to, have some further developments in the future. And their roadmap here, pretty lengthy roadmap. But you can check it all out on their webpage, which is on that link tree right there, FrokAI.com. And you can find this token newly listed as of July 3rd on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.